I'm about to put on the Mac, you know what I'm saying? Start like this. That's what it is, man. Straight from the soul. It's straight from the soul right here, man. I'm saying it's hard to let go. It's harder to let go. It's harder to let you know that from you I stole. And now I know what life's lesson brings. And here thus forth comes the legendary like a peacock's tail. That's me, nigga. But choose the rainbow. Yeah, I get high, nigga. I fly like the angels. You know why, nigga? I've been through a lot. So I'm here to fight the pain. Cause I ain't gonna let it rock. Yeah, I ain't gonna let me rock. So I keep on going. Freestyling. Like 3 years back is when I started. Same time I started rolling. Like a bird on the wire. You know I ain't scared and your bitch is a liar. Watch me, I'm a ball. Watch me, I'm a ball. I'ma pick up the call. Yeah, she coming through the crib. He said I beat it up so good that on her wall. Yeah, posted on her wall. And I ain't talking Facebook. Yeah, that bitch need a new look. A new look. Shit, who be trying to catch me slipping? I tell the bitch she needs some piping and some dicking. She needs some flexing and some Scotty pimping. The way I'm ballin' on these bitches and they listen. I'm the true pimp. Yeah, Dominican Cat Williams on the shit. Yeah, that's me, oh. Yeah, she already know that I'm the real boss. I make all the calls. I control things. I make it happen. Yeah, that's me. I'm the head. I'm the captain. She give me head. I'ma get involved like a rapture. Yeah, that's me. I dedicate my work to the next rapture. Yeah, and she need a new lecture. The stop and grind, stop and grind. I do this all the time. Yeah, that bitch super fine. Yeah, you know I get super high. Yeah, that bitch wanna hold me. Acting I'm moaning. Yeah, I'm stoning. Storming cloud nine. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm high all the time. Yeah, bitch catching me when I'm high. So I come through with the motherfucking Ruger. Yeah, that's me, and I'm too cool for a scoop. So I came and I scooped her. Yeah, that's that nigga. Call me KG. Yeah, yeah, King G. Yeah, that's me on the beat. Yeah, I ain't talking to Lil Wayne when I 3P. Yeah, but I can make the birds sing. Yeah, when I had a, when I had a ounce of that stinky thing, moving it up down the block. Yeah, I wasn't scared. Nothing. Not even a little bit.